Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Lunar Classic. Now, the staking of Terra Classic have now reached 903 billion. Terra Classic has been staked, and now the supply ratio of 13.14%. Yes, 903 billion with stake supply ratio of 13.14% is amazing. Now, very soon, Terra Classic staking will hit over 1 trillion or 1.2 trillion, and I believe before the end of this year, the staking might be hitting about 2 trillion with the help of Binance, because Binance controls almost 46 to sometimes 50% of Terra Classic daily volume. Now, I believe that many more coins will want to kind of hit and rise this year. This year, we are expecting many crypto coins to actually increase in price, but one of the coins I believe that is going to increase this year is Terra Classic coin. They have already started that journey last year with the support I've been getting from different crypto exchanges. Terra Classic is definitely going to increase, and I believe this coin, with the support especially from Binance founder, Terra Classic is going to hit a massive increase in price. The staking have really increased. So even I myself last year, I also staked my Terra Classic coin, because a lot of people, when Terra Classic was actually going down, when Terra Classic was experiencing a bearish, instead of selling off, some people prefer to stake their Terra Classic coin, because everybody wants to make money. Nobody knows when or what might be happening with Terra Classic. But the truth is, this coin have gotten a lot of support from top crypto exchanges and billionaires. So I hope to see Terra Classic staking hitting over 2 to 3 trillion. Now, almost 1 trillion coins of Terra Classic has been taken out of the supply, and it's amazing to see that the staking continues, and hope to see many more people staking and many more burning increasing every day by day, because we believe very soon this coin might be hitting 1 penny. Yes, and I believe with the support I've been getting recently, I believe top crypto companies might start partnering with Terra Classic as means of payment. It will be amazing to see Terra Classic at the top, and I hope to see some crypto billionaires, people who have interest on cryptocurrency like Elon Musk, accepting Terra Classic. Remember, very soon people are expecting Elon Musk might be accepting crypto as part of making payment for Twitter. And we all know that a lot of people believe that Dogecoin is certainly going to be one of the cryptocurrency you can use to make payment with Twitter. And I believe he might be adding like Bitcoin, like other crypto coins like BNB and then Ethereum, But I believe that if Elon Musk will keep supporting small cap coin, even Elon Musk supporting cryptocurrency also is a bonus for crypto industry, because many more companies will be looking towards accepting cryptocurrency. And I hope that this year becomes a bullish year for crypto industry. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.